Hello everyone. Today we will study Science Chapter 6 Safety and First Aid. So students, now we will discuss about the safety and first aid. Students, you will know that accident can happen anytime, anywhere without warning, and people gets hurt. Students, accidents happen due to carelessness of people's, and sometimes accident can be very dangerous and lead to death. Students, any event that happens unexpectedly and harms people is called an accident. Accidents are caused sometimes due to our own carelessness and sometimes due to that of others. We can save from an accident by the some safety rules and precautions. Students, here you have given some pictures. So students, you think and discuss the what is wrong in given picture. Mentions 2 points. So students, you have write here. Here students, look picture. Here boys use the earphone and riding the cycles and looking other sides. Also it is hasn't used helmet riding a bicycles. Students, many people meet with the accident due to their carelessness. To avoid these accidents, we have to follow some safety rules. Students, if we will follow the some safety rules, we can save from the accidents. Students, here given safety while riding a cycles. Students, here given always check the brakes, seat and tires of a bicycle before using it. Always wear a helmet while riding a bicycle. Students, our next precaution is do not ride your bicycle, use earphones. And next, use hand signals to turn to your left or right. Follow traffic rules and signals. Do not ride on sand or stones. Students, how can we save traveling in other vehicles? Students, fasten your seat belt when you are traveling in a car. And do not disturb and talk to the driver. Do not make a noise or play stereo in loud voice. Do not put any of your body part out of the windows of the moving bus or a car. And the next safety are students, do not stand on the door of the moving bus or train. Always get down on the pavement of safe side of the road. Students, here given how can we save in water. Students, never go near water for a swimming without an adult. Do not go or play near ponds, lake or rivers. Do not swim in water bodies like river or streams. Students, look this picture and take care what happened here. Students, always swim in a swimming pool. Use swimming tubes while swimming. Always wear a life jacket while traveling in a boat. Students, how can we save from the fire? Here given some precautions and should be also follow it. Students, fire help us in many ways, but it can also cause damage when we are not carefully. Students, first precaution is do not play with matchsticks, light and candles. Students, we should not be never play with the matchsticks, lighter and candles. And next precaution is student, do not go near a gas stove or do not try to open it on. Do not brush crackers while wearing synthetic clothes. And next precaution is student, do not overload electrical switches. Do not leave bare wires or cords. Students, do not leave any heater Open or touch the switch on for a long time. Students, do not leave papers, newspapers, books, curtain or any other clothing near fireplace. Where spark loud, ignite them. Students, here you have given some preventive steps in case of fire. Students, dial 101 to call the fire service and move out as soon as possible. Do not use lifts, only use staircase or emergency exit. If your class catches fire, do not run. Stop and drop down on the ground. Cover your eyes and face with hands and roll down on the ground to put out fire. Make sure your home and school's building has smoke detectors. Also, fire extinguishers should be always kept ready. Means students in schools always kept ready fire extinguishers. Students, in picture you have given how to save from the fire. Look carefully. Students, you have given here true fact. While handling with fire extinguisher, remember the words passes and fall. Pull the pin, aim the nozzle, squeeze the lever, sweep the nozzle. Means students, the full form of pass is pull the pin, aim the nozzle, squeeze the lever and sweep the nozzle. Students, here we will know about the first aid. What is the first aid? Students, first aid is an immediate help given to an injured or sick person before arriving after doctors. First aid help a person in relieving from pain or prevents the condition getting worse. Cuts and wounds. Students, if we get cuts and wounds, then what will we do? If the cut or wound is small, wash the area with the soap and water or clean it with any antiseptic lotions. And again, next students, dry it and apply an antiseptic cream on the cut or wound. Cover it with a bandage to prevent infection from germs. And next students, if the cut or wound is deep, wash it with soap and water or with the antiseptic lotions. And after this, students, in case of excessive bleeding, make a thick pad of cotton and press it over the wound. Then tie a strip of cloth tightly above the wound to stop bleeding. Students, in this picture you have given how we use the first aid on cuts and wounds. Look carefully, students, this picture and think about the first aid. Students, here you have given true facts. Student, the band aid was invented in 1920 by the employee Early Dixon of Johnson and Johnson for his wife Josephine, who frequently cut and burned herself while cooking. Students, how we can use unspinals and fracture of first aids. Means students, when we have get spinals and fractures, how we can use first aid. So students, look here concentrately. A sprain occurs when our muscles get stressed or joints get twisted and swelled up. Students, we apply the first aid. Then student, we do first apply an ice pack on the area to reduce the swelling. Do not move the part and wrap bandage around the area. And after this, students, a fracture occurs when a bone gets broken and causes swelling. There is an extreme pain, so the person is unable to move the part. Then what will we do in first aid, students? Do not try to move the fractured part. And students, after this, take any flat thing like a piece of cardboard and tie it around the fractured part. This will work as a splint which prevents the movement of bone. After this, students take the person to a doctor as soon as possible. Students, how can we use first aid on burns? Students, as at first we know what is a burns. Burns. Something boiling water, hot tear or milk falls on skin, or you may touch hot objects, or maybe while bursting crackers you get burns. Then student, we apply here first aid. At first we do cool down the burnt. At first student, we do cool down the burnt area under cool running water or apply an ice pack. After this, students apply the solution of baking soda and water and on the burnt area with the help of cottons. If the burn is major, immediately take a person to a doctor. Students, if we have nose bleeding, then how we use the first aid? Students, sit down on the chair keeping your head held back, and further put an ice pick pack or a wet cloth over the nose to stop bleeding. After this, students, you do not peek, rub or blow your nose. Breathing through mouth for some time, not from nose. And after this, students, if bleeding still does not stop, take the patient to a doctor. And at last, students, how to use first aid after animals bites. So students, at first we see what is a bite. Bite of animals like dogs, monkeys, boats, wolves, etc. cause a deadly disease called rabies. And students, how to apply first aid? Look here. At first, wash the wound with the soap and water. Apply an antiseptic cream to prevent infection. And after this, take the person to a doctor and have an anti-rabies injections. Students, here you have given lesson in short. Always wear a helmet while riding a bicycle. Fasten your seat belt when you are traveling in a car. Do not play with matchsticks, lighter and candles. First aid is an immediate help given to an injured or sick person before arriving of a doctor. And after this, student, if the cut or wound is deep, wash it with soap and water or with antiseptic lotion. Do not try to move the fractured part. Thank you, students.